everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be removing this vinyl sheet flooring from this to this. But first, I have to remove it and prep the cement floor underneath. It started peeling off here due to water damage and also was lifting by the bathtub as well. Yep, this ugly flooring's gotta go. I'm using an X-Acto knife to cut out parts of the flooring. And here I'm using a razor floor scraper and stripper. Link will be below. All this white residue on the cement floor is glue. Here I'm using hot water to loosen up the glue, which makes it easier to scrape off. This is tedious work and will take some time to scrape off all the glue. Now that most of the glue is gone, it's time to patch up some holes behind the toilet due to water damage with concrete patch. Okay, this is the first coat. We'll have to wait till this dries. Floor is done and ready for tile application. This is part 1 of the guest bathroom makeover. Stay tuned for the next video of how to apply peel and stick tiles for this bathroom.